Can I get a table for one? Hi. Can I get your, do you have strawberry lemonade?
We have raspberry lemonade.
Raspberry lemonade? I'll take that. Let me get your chicken Alfredo, please.
Chicken Alfredo, yeah.
Dang.
I'll
Oh,
set it down for you.
sorry about
A little
that.
high. No, don't be shy.
Very good. Thank you. That's perfect. Alrighty, y'all. I think I'm gonna tap out. I'm already getting full.
Right out of the oven.
So, you were really amazing. We really liked your service.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, I really like your vibe. So,
Thank you.
I know it might not be a lot, but I want to tip you $50.
Oh, thank you so much.
So if you want to add that to the tab,
Yeah, for sure.